Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can add free music to your YouTube videos, guys. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So what you're gonna wanna go ahead and do, guys, is you're gonna wanna be on the YouTube Creator Studio. Now, basically, once you're here, you're gonna want to head to the Content Creations tab. Now, basically, it's gonna be right under Dashboard. Go ahead and click on Content, and pretty much you're gonna want to find the video you wanna put audio on. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with this video right here. And basically, once you're on the video details, just try to head down to the video editor right below analytics. Click on editor, guys, and then once you guys are actually here, this is where you can actually go ahead and add music. Now, it says right here video editor, and there are so many options you could do to this video. You can cut, blur, put audio, end screen, or add info cards. Now, obviously, we're here for the audio part, so go ahead, press the plus that says add audio, and from here you can pick audio that you want to add. Now, let's say, some of these audios are not of your genre. You can go ahead and filter out the audio library from genre, guys. Now, there's rock, R&B, soul. You can go ahead and filter out from the options right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with hip hop and rap, and basically you guys can see there's so many songs I can pick from, and I'm just gonna go with this one at the very top. I'm gonna go ahead and add it, and then you guys can see that right now there is currently a blue layer added to my video. Now, this is actually the audio being added. Now, let's say I want to maybe add to a certain part. I would find the part in the video, and I would quickly trim the little layer right here and make it small to where I want it on my video, guys. Now, once that's actually done, what you're gonna want to go ahead and do is you're gonna want to go ahead and click the save button, and then after that, all the changes you have made to that video are gonna be added and updated. So that's pretty easy, guys. It's a simple way on how you can add free music to your YouTube videos, guys. And with that being said, guys, if you guys haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. But with that being said, I'll go ahead and see you guys for our next videos.